In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use augments and arc raiders. By the end, you'll know exactly how to equip an augment from your backpack or your stash so it's active in your loadout and ready to impact your next encounter. Start by opening your inventory. This is your main hub for managing gear, and it's where your loadout lives. Once the inventory is open, switch your attention to your loadout area. Think of your loadout as the snapshot of what your character will actually take into the field. Within that layout, look for the augment slot. It's typically labeled or visually distinct, so you can tell it apart from weapon and armor slots. If it's empty, you'll often see a placeholder icon or a dimmed slot indicating nothing is equipped yet. If you already have an augment sitting in your backpack, the process is straightforward. Click and hold the augment in your backpack, then drag it over to the augment slot in your loadout. As you hover over the slot, you should see a highlight or visual cue confirming it can be placed there. Release to drop it into the slot. When it lands, you'll see the augment's icon appear in the slot, which means it's now equipped. That visual confirmation is your cue that the augment will be active when you head out. Alternatively, if the augment you want is stored in your stash, you can grab it from there and do the same thing. Locate the augment in your stash list, click and hold it, then drag and drop it onto the augment slot in your loadout. The logic is identical. Move it from where it's stored, backpack or stash, straight into the augment slot. If the slot highlights and accepts the item, you're good to go. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're dragging an actual augment and not another type of item. Augments usually have a unique icon or tag. If the slot doesn't accept the item, it may not be compatible, or the game may be signaling that it belongs in a different slot. Also, if you're playing on a controller, the input might be presented as moving or assigning the item rather than dragging, but the idea is the same. Transfer the augment to the augment slot in your loadout. Once the augment is in the slot, that's it. Your loadout now includes it. You don't need to do anything extra. From here, you can exit the inventory whenever you're ready, and your augment will be active the next time you deploy. Simple as that.